Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mystery Channel 33. I am Tatiana. I'm here to help solve more missing women, children, and men cases. I'm here to break the codes if I see any. I'm here to see where their bodies are located if they know. And I'm also here to see if they allow deceased bodies to change their identity or misidentity. Y'all already should know who's involved, so let's begin. This is titled Scott Allen Key. This how he looks. Okay. He looks familiar, like I seen him as a bodyguard on one of them reality shows. Okay, so let's begin. He had been missing since April the 25th, 2009 from Oakman, Alabama. He classified as missing. His sex is male. His race is white. His age is 44 years old. His height and weight is 5'8", 240 pounds. Distinct characteristics, Caucasian male, gray hair, and brown eyes. Details of disappearance. Key was last seen in Oakman, Alabama on April the 25th, 2009. He has never been heard from again. Few details are available in his case. Okay. They got him in the freezer, I'm hearing. Investigating agencies, Walker County Sheriff's Office, 205-302-6464. Source information, Walker County Sheriff's Office. This case has been updated one time since October the 12th, 2004. Last updated July the 5th, 2017. Case file has been added. And that's all the information they have of him. We like to help with this case. You can. I don't do this for the fame or the money. I do because it's what I love to do. And to the real families of these victims, corporate America will set you up. Thank you. Peace and be safe. Got with the 3 minutes.